Good morning, students. Today our maths class. Let's discuss. Which topic we have? Now we have to know about lines. Yes. What is lines? Why lines? So these straight lines and curved lines. You have the topic. Okay. Let's discuss. Lines are three types. How many types? Three types. They are horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Horizontal line is also called as sleeping line, and vertical line is also called as standing line. Slanting lines. Okay? Let's see. Based on these lines we can draw some diagrams. We can also see rectangle, square and triangle. Three diagrams are there. They're just attaching some lines and they form a diagram. With the straight lines you can draw a house diagram, right? I hope you tried once. Yes or no? Yes. With the straight lines we used house shapes, and with the curved lines we can draw a tree, sun, like this. All those diagrams we can draw based on these lines, or slanting lines, straight lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, all these. Okay, let's see the curved lines. See, half circle and lines are semis. So these are the diagrams we can use to draw with curved lines. What are those? Circle and oval. Yes, no. Let's see. S, P, D. In this, try to identify what are the circles with the curved lines or straight lines. Both are there. How? I'll show. See, S has complete curved line. Yes or no? Yes, but P has one straight line and one curved line. Next, a D has complete straight line? No, also have a curved line. But S has only curved line. Like this, in our alphabets also we will write with curved lines or straight lines. If it is T, we can write with the vertical line and horizontal line. Yes or no? You can try. Okay? Let's see. Are these curved lines or straight lines, children? Yes. Because the plate looks like oval and this cup have curved lines, not even having straight lines. So these are curved lines. Okay. Next one. Leaf. A leaf have in the middle of the stem is straight line, and above and below having lines are curved lines. Like this, in our daily life, while we are seeing some things, plants or animals, whatever it may be, we can watch a curved line and straight line. Yes or no? Yes. See, irregular shapes. In our home, we have everything have a shape. If we compare with the TV, it has a shape, right? With the straight lines. 2 vertical line, 2 horizontal line. That means 2 standing lines and 2 sleeping lines. Like that. All are those like this only. Okay? Let's see the topic. Let us try 1.4. Hope you children all understand about lines, right? Okay. Think the correct answer in each cases. Take the correct answer in each cases. A line. If it is a straight line or a curved line, children? Yes, it's having curved lines. So we have to tick on curved line. Next, B bit. Is it look like a straight line or curved line, children? Yes, it is a straight line. So you have to tick on straight line. And then C. See, it have curved line or straight line? Yeah, it's complete curved line. So you have to tick on again curved. Next one. Is it a straight line or curved line? Same as straight line, right? So you have to tick on straight line. Let's see the second bit. Categorize the stickers from the shape of shapes given at the end of this book. According to the type of lines they are made up of. I show you in the video before, Nana, with the lines we made up of some shapes. like rectangle, triangle, square. With the curved lines means that a circle. All those lines. Okay. In the book of your last pages, it has some stickers like a with the chapter name. Okay. Try to find out. Take out those stickers and stick on here. Or else, if you don't have means, you can draw with your pencil with the base of straight lines. Straight lines means what you will get? Triangle you will get, rectangle you will get, and square you will get. With those diagrams, how can you draw? You can use to draw whatever the diagram is. Okay. And then the curved lines. Curved lines means what you can draw? You can draw caterpillar, tree, mushroom, or like this flower. Like this you can draw. Okay. So curved lines. If you have to draw, you can draw. You have stickers means you can stick all the stickers in the pages. Okay. Next, third bit. Draw a line between the two dots to form. See, the given two bits. One is straight line, one is curved line. From dot to dot, you have to draw a straight line for A bit. From dot to dot, for B bit, you have to draw curved line. Curved line means you can draw however as a wave, whatever it may be. In which shape you can draw shapeless. Okay. Let's see. Next topic. Space. Anush and his friends decided to play a new game. Let us start. Which game they have started? A new game in the park. There is a bird at the top of the pole, and there is a mouse at the bottom of the pole. Top and bottom. In which places they are? One bird is on the top and mouse is on the bottom. Yes, top from bottom, top to bottom. Okay, like this you have to identify the things. I hope you did a video to do on like this, right? In, out, under, up and down, like this you did a video. Have you remember, children? Okay, there is a box on the bench and a ball under the bench, on the bench and under the bench. Yes. Okay, there is a dog near the tree and there is a cat far from the tree. A dog is near to the tree and a cat further to the tree. You have to identify those. Yes or no? Okay. There is a ice cream seller inside of the park. Outside of the park. Outside of the park there is a ice cream seller, and inside of the park what are they saying? Yes, it is a dustbin. While we went to the park, we will see one ice cream seller. Yes or no? Yes, he is in the outside. And inside what was there? In every park wherever you go, they'll keep one dustbin for cleanness. Hope you children, you have to stay clean on these days, right? Whatever the things may be, you have to put it. Unwanted things means you have to put it in dustbin. So inside of the park is what was there? Yes, dustbin. Let's see. There are birds above us. Birds are flying on their heads. So they are saying that above us there are birds. Okay. Ronit is sitting below Meenu. Ronit is sitting below Meenu. See, two boys are there. So Ronit is sitting below Meenu, and upside was Meenu was there. Down one is Ronit. Okay. Let's start the 5.1.5. Fill in the blanks. The cube with the letter P with the dash is at the bottom. You have to identify those cubes based on those whether it is up or whether it is bottom, down, like this. You have to identify the cube of a name and you have to write it. The cube with the letter dash is at the bottom. At the bottom, which letter was there? Yes, it's a P cube. Next, the cube with the letter dash is at the top. The cube with the letter N is dash and the letter M is dash. In which place? Is it below or above? Yes, it is in the below. And the cube with the letter O is dash the letter P. P was in the bottom, so O is above. Yes, above of P.